In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add my own products to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to list a product the right way so it looks professional and gets approved quickly. Start by opening TikTok Shop. You can do this from the Seller Center on desktop or through the app if you have the seller tools enabled. Make sure you're logged into the correct seller account so your product ends up in the right storefront. Once you're in, go to the Products section. This is your home base for everything you sell. Here, you'll see your existing listings and the tools you need to create new ones. Look for the Add Product button and select it to open a new product listing form. Begin by uploading clear images of your product. Use bright, even lighting, a clean background, and show multiple angles if possible. Include a close-up of important details and make sure the main image accurately represents what customers will receive. Avoid watermarks or text-heavy images and follow TikTok Shop's image guidelines to prevent delays in approval. Next, enter your product name. Keep it concise but informative. Include the key attributes shoppers care about, such as the product type, model, size or color if relevant, and one standout feature. Avoid excessive punctuation or promotional phrases and use plain words customers genuinely search for. Now select the most accurate category. Choosing the right category helps the algorithm recommend your product to the right audience and can reduce the chance of your listing being flagged. If there are subcategories, drill down until you find the best fit. Then, enter your product description and all other necessary details. Write a clear, honest description that highlights what the product is, who it's for, how it's used, and what makes it valuable. Include materials, sizing or dimensions, care instructions, compatibility notes, and what's included in the box. Fill in required fields such as attributes, variations like size or color if applicable, pricing, stock levels, SKU codes, and shipping details like weight and dimensions. If your product falls into a regulated category, be ready to provide any compliance information or documentation. Double-check spelling, formatting, and that your details match your images to avoid confusion. When everything looks good, click. Submit for review. TikTok Shop will review your listing for policy compliance and accuracy. The review can take some time, and you'll be notified when it's approved or if any changes are needed. If you get feedback, edit the listing and resubmit. That's it. You've added your product to TikTok Shop and set it up for success.